Intimate, the New Year's Day destination for lovers rock fans. But getting there, a slog. Cars piled up for miles. Patience running thin. Although stuck, some motorists still cheerful.
I think this is madness. We're from Toronto.
Yeah,
and
it's our first time.
We're used to having police direct traffic properly.
Yeah.
So to see this happening is crazy. The people want to see Buju. The people want to see Beres.
Buju and Beres causing. Make who can't go home. Watch it. I know me can't reach home.
This concert expected to draw crowds, but the cops seemingly taken by surprise yet again. At the venue, another stripe for Marcia Griffiths.
You are truly a living legend.
Marcia Griffiths! For decades of exemplary contribution to the music industry. The place ram up and you can't go nowhere. Even if you wanted to leave, you can't leave. A beer traffic outside. So the best place to be is here.
Intimate billed as a classy affair, a feel-good, uplifting kickoff to 2023, after yet another year marred by violence, and a year with its own accompanying soundtrack. But at Intimate, the mood music calming and inspirational. The audience older, generationally in sync with most of the evening's performers, and contrasting then with now.
The only thing you hear about is mollies, AKs, killing. It's not a unity, it's separating, it's gangs, it's rivals, it's not the same. It's not the Jamaica that I was born in at all. This the Jamaica I was born in that came on stage tonight.
But sugar, sugar, baby, I just need to know if you need me still. Hey, just tell me what you want. I can get it, just put it on my bill. Oh yeah.
Tarrus Riley with a timely reminder that life's indeed fleeting, and introducing his son to set a tone of somber intimacy.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
I bought my mother for her Christmas gift and her birthday to see her favorite artists, Beres and Buju. And this is my cousin, she's all the way from Atlanta.
Andrew Holness at Intimate, somewhere. Wonder if he too had been trapped in traffic. Anyway, his presence noted by the first of the night's headliners, Beres Hammond.
Mr. Prime Minister, I might not vote for you, but we love you.
Lots of love for lovers rock's leading Living Light.
Thought I could live without you. Thought everything would be fine, yes. So nothing special about you. Still you're plaguing my mind. I used to take you for. You were the last name in my life.
Hammond's introductory track, segueing into this, what folks came for. The hits. Familiar fare, a sing-along session.
And this is what our people deserve. This is what our music deserves.
Everyone I do the dance with them love. In a Jamaica, no farmer grudge. Greet everyone that hate I will love. Where is Buju bring you good rubber love? Good luck the fight. Remember when you play the ball. In the morning sun and we wait until evening come alive. Will not leave until you tell me what I've done. All I know is God is only. Protect your life if you wanna know me. Even me to keep you slowly.
1986, I recorded my first song.
And you've been with me ever since. You've been with me through the ups. And you've been with me through the downs. You've been with me in my high points and my low points. I love you so much. Destruction of our soul is. Oh, my people, you hear. Oh, I must speak it loud and clear. What did I say? I want to rule my destiny. Off with our people. Oh, my hills and valleys too. Don't let them fool you.
Light rain here and there, some sheltering, most staying put.
Goodness and mercy all our life shall follow you and me. And in just of forevermore, our dwelling place must be. That's what you say.
Goodness and mercy all my life shall surely follow me. And in just of forevermore, if people that can be.
In the end, the gridlock getting to intimate not forgotten, but the final word positive about the show.
Big catalogs, living legends performing, that's what bring the people here. When 4 or 5 artists can bring out a magnitude like this, you know they are giants.
We love them. I would thank them for the show tonight.
Baltimore, Maryland! Yeah! It took us 3 hours from Montreal to get here, but it was worth it.
I would pay more.
I've always wanted to see them, but I guess it's, New Year. So, perfect way to start off the New Year.
Just wish the younger generation would look up to them. It was beautiful.
Jah put an angel over me, be strong. All of her meditation. One day things must get better.